DKM is a professional manufacturer of injection molding pallet production lines, having successfully delivered hundreds of pallet production lines to users worldwide. In the manufacturing of plastic pallet production lines, we have rich experience and proficient technology, providing personalized one-on-one service to deeply understand the needs of our customers. We tailor regional injection molding solutions for each customer, including high-performance injection molding machines, robotic arms, auxiliary equipment, and optimized mold design and manufacturing. The double-sided pallet molding cycle takes only 69 seconds, producing over 1,000 units daily, marking a significant leap in pallet production efficiency. DKM provides customers with one-on-one pallet production line service, tailoring regional solutions and offering a one-stop service from mold, injection molding machine to auxiliary equipment selection. DKM's two-platen injection molding machine is specifically designed for large plastic parts such as pallet. It features an ultra-large mold capacity, facilitating the installation of large molds. The internal robotic arm has ample picking space, and the overall machine design is compact with a small footprint. The flooding-type cylinder structure ensures even force distribution, better sealing, and significantly reduce the risk of oil leakage during the injection process. The fully enclosed hydraulic system provides excellent pressure performance, ensuring stable, fast, and precise molding. Pallet molds are supplied by Mould, known for their design of professional hot runner, venting system, and cooling systems, resulting in shorter pallet molding cycle and faster production. The intelligent and fully automatic robotic arms save labor costs and enhance production efficiency. 4 key reasons to choose DKM pallet production line: shorten delivery cycles, accelerate molding cycles, enhance production line stability, and achieve cost saving. DKM not only provides high-quality production lines but also offers you a comprehensive service system. We offer professional equipment and machinery consultations, suggest suitable models and configurations based on your production needs, and provide layout design solutions for your injection molding workshop. We provide training service for your employees, including operation and maintenance training. Our professional engineering team is dispatched on-site for equipment installation and debugging. We offer 24-hour troubleshooting service with prompt issue resolution. Our engineers conduct regular inspection of your injection molding equipment. We also schedule periodic customer visits to collect feedback and suggestions. DKM's pallet production line is a one-stop solution to kickstart your pallet project, enabling you to achieve rapid production and double your manufacturing capacity. DKM, discover keys of molding.